RXRX stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. This is just a pretty good and sick bullish market, in which case I'm looking to just still hopefully double down and buy if it makes sense. Because if you watch my yesterday's video, first of all, this is not even my yesterday, it's like 3 days ago video that I made. The price was already pre-market 616, and
pretty much gambling.
All I hoped about is I saw the pull down and a shift, and that's exactly what we're getting here. So with that in mind, I'm just waiting for this to deliver, you know, like either top or hits BEs. Other than that, my idea is still exactly the same. We had a pretty beautiful mitigation. Seems like we don't really want to hold this supply zone, but again, we're gonna see how this is gonna actually react and what the outcome is gonna be like. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, you know, I'm talking daily market picks, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.